Whenever hot work is performed, there are risks involved. If hot work activities are not carefully controlled, the results can be disastrous. May 16, 2012. An industrial pipe welder was called to a large facility to perform a particularly hazardous job. Ignoring the requirement to complete a hot work permit and prepare his area, he went straight to work, failing to notice a drum of combustible material located nearby. His sparks ignited the material, causing a fire that quickly spread through the facility. Several workers were injured in the fire that day, and as a result of the damage, more than 450 people lost their jobs. The total cost to repair the facility and recover the loss in productivity was estimated to be in the millions of dollars.